here's how you apply it. First, get your clips ready. Next, go to Layer and add an adjustment layer on top of your clips. Now, make sure the adjustment layer starts from the end of your first clip. You can extend it as long or as short as you want, but I suggest keeping it longer for better results. Go to the very first frame of the adjustment layer. Now, go to Animation, apply Animation Preset. Locate the folder where you downloaded my presets, select any one you want, and hit OK. And that's it. You've applied the preset. But wait, it's not perfect yet. Make sure the second keyframe lines up with the start of your second clip. And now you've got the perfect transition. This same method works for all my transition packs, so enjoy creating. Also, don't forget to check that you have all the required plugins I mentioned in the video, and thanks for watching.